edad or mas kulang pa rin po, you should respect everyone. And be kind and helpful. So always be kind and help others who are in need. And do your best. Okay, so do you understand our class rules?
Yes.
Okay, so I have assigned someone to check the attendance in every table. So who are the absent in table 1? Please stand up. Okay, thank you, Cedric. For table 2,
Janos, Ria.
thank you, Mia. For table 3, thank you, Rhea. For table 4, thank you, Nina. So, these are our absent for today. So, who can recall our last lesson last meeting? What was our lesson last meeting? Yes, Natalie? Okay, very good. Last meeting, we talked about the base and the exponent. So, for example, we have 5 raised to the power of 2. 5 raised to the power of 2. What is the base of that equation? We have the base 5. And what is the exponent? 2. Okay, very good. So we have 5 as the base and 2 as the exponent. So now, we have here an activity which is entitled The Mystery Story. So the instruction, solve the mystery behind the word problem. So everyone please read the word problem.
There are students who got power raised for all 5 raised to the power of 2. And the others got 2 raised to the power of 4 in the quiz class meeting.
Okay, so in that story, there are students who got 5 raised to the power of 2 and the others got 2 raised to the power of 4. So, who can identify the word problem in that story? Yes, Mia? Okay, kanina ay bold letters. So, Albert, what are the bold letters stated here in the word problem? Five raised to the power of 2. What else? Yes, Cedric? Okay, 2 raised to the power of 4. So we have here 2 word problem which is 5 raised to the power of 2 and 2 raised to the power of 4. So now, this is the expanded form of 5 raised to the power of 2. So we have 5 times 5 equals 25. And the exponential form of 5 times 5 is 5 raised to the power of 2. On the other hand, we have 2 raised to the power of 4. And this expanded form is
2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16.
okay, very good. So, what do you think could be our lesson this day? Yes, Mia? About the base and the exponent. So today, we will be identifying the base and the exponent and giving the value of numbers expressed in exponential notation. So from the given word problem earlier, we have 5 raised to the power of 2. And 2 raised to the power of 4. So 5 raised to the power of 2 is equal 5 times 5 equals 25. So what is the base of that exponent? 5. Of that exponential notation rather. 5. So we have the 5 as the base. And what is the exponent? 2. Okay, so when we multiply 5 2 times, we will have the answer 25. 5. On the other hand, we have 2 raised to the power of 4. What is the base of that exponential notation? 2. And what is the exponent? 4. Okay, so we have 2 is the base and 4 is the exponent. And we have the answer 16. 16. Very good. Now let's have another exponential notation. Please read everyone. 4
raised to the power of 6. 6 raised to the power of 3. 5 raised to the power of 5.
Okay. Now let us identify the base and the exponent and give the value of that exponential notation. Who can give us the base, the exponent, and the exponential notation of that given word, numbers? From table 1. 4 raised to the power of 6. We have Cedric. You solve the exponential notation and identify the base and the exponent. For table 2, 6 raised to the, yes, Mia. For table 3, or 4, what is the exponential notation of 5 raised to the power of 5? Okay, we have Natalie. Okay, while Natalie, Cedric, and Mia is solving, you can also solve in your scratch paper.
4.
We have 4. And the exponent?
6.
Okay, now let's check if the answer of Cedric is correct. So we have 4
Times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4.
Okay, so 4 is multiplied repeatedly by itself in 6 times. So we have 4 times 4.
16.
16. Times 4. 74. 16 times 4. 16 times 4. 64. 4 times 6. 24. 4 times 1. 4 plus 1. 6. Plus 2. 6. 64 times 4. 4 times 4.
68.
4 times 6. 24. Plus 1.
25.
6. Times 4. 4 times 5, 20. Plus 2, 22. 4 times 2, 8. Plus 2, 10. 1024. And lastly, times 4. 4 times 4,
16.
4 times 2,
8.
plus 1,
9.
4 times 0,
0.
4 times 1,
4.
4. So the answer is 4,906. Okay, so total of 0. So our answer for 4 raised to the power of 6 is 4,906. Next, we have 6 raised to the power of 3. What is the base?
6.
6. The exponent?
3.
Okay, let's check if the answer of Mia is correct. So we have 6 times 6 times 6 as the expanded form. So 6 times 6?
36.
Times 6?
216.
So the answer is
216.
correct. Last one, we have 5 raised to the power of 5. Table 4, what is the base of this number?
5.
5. The exponent?
5.
5. So we have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 is multiplied repeatedly by its number 5. 5 times. So we have 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 2,
10.
plus 2,
12.
125 times 5, 5 times 5,
25.
5 times 2,
10.
plus 2,
12.
5 times 1,
5.
plus 1,
6.
625 times 5,
25.
5 times 5,
25.
5 times 2,
10.
plus 2,
12.
5 times 6,
30.
plus 1,
31.
So we have the answer 3,125. So let's have another example. So who can give the base, the exponent, and the answer of that exponential equation? Yes, Leslie. identify the base and the exponent, and then answer. What is the base of that exponential notation? The exponent? What is the exponent? Okay, 3. So, can you demonstrate to us how did you get your answer number 8? Okay, demonstrate to us.
2 times 2 times
Okay, 2 times 2.
2 times 2, 4 times 2,
Okay, very good. So, the answer is
8.
now, did you understand on how to give the value of exponential notation?
Yes.
So now, let's have an activity, a group activity entitled Complete Me. So everyone, listen to me as we read the instruction. Everyone, let us read the instruction.
Instruction. In a group of 4, you are going to complete and identify the base exponent, give the exponential form, and the answer write in the material provided.
Okay, so I have here a material. So I will be grouping you into 4. So, for this activity, this should not be biased. So I have here 4 numbers, and I want each group to have a representative to get a number here in front. Group 3. Okay, so please open that paper. Who got the group number 1? Group 2. How about group 3? Group 3. And 4? So we have there a table that, so we have here, everyone is listening. We have here a table. So I have already provided the expanded form, and you just need to identify the base, the exponent, and give its exponential form and the answer. Okay, so from our class rules, we have to work as a team. Okay, so we will now start doing the For those who is finished answering, please close your work. Sunod na ra, group 1. Group 1, group 2, 3, and 4. For group 1, who is your representative? So please explain to us your work.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will explain my answer and how I get the answer. So, the expanded form is 9 times 9.
Everyone, for our class rules, if someone is speaking in front, you will listen. Okay.
The expanded form is 9 times 3. So, the base is 9, the exponent is 2. And the exponential form is 9 raised to the power of 2. So, 9 times 9 is 81. So, that is the answer. So, next is the expanded form. The number 2 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. The base is 3. The exponent is 4. The exponential form is 3 raised to the power of 4. So 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 is 7. 7 times 3 equals 81. Next is the expanded form of 3 is 10 times 10 times 10. So the base is 10. The exponent is 3. Exponential form is 10 raised to the power of 3. So 10 times 10, 100. 10 times 10, 1,000. So my answer is 1,000.
Okay, very good. So let us give the group 1 alamok club like this. 1 lamok, 2 lamok, maraming lamok. Okay, so before that, let us first check if your answers are correct. So the expanded form is 9 times 9. So what number is multiplied repeatedly? The base 9. So we have 9 as our base and 2 is the exponent because 9 is multiplied repeatedly 2 times. So we have our exponential form 9 raised to the power of 2 and the answer is 81. For 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, we have the base as 3. The exponent form is 4 because 3 is multiplied repeatedly 4 times. So we have 3 raised to the power of 4 and the answer is 81. Next is 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1,000 because 10 times 10 is 100 and 100 times 10 is 1,000. So our base is 10 and our exponent is 3 because it is multiplied repeatedly 3 times. So next, let's move on to group 2. We have Kathy. Okay, so let us give the group 2 a galing club. Ang galing, ang galing, ang galing, galing, galing. Okay, so we have 7 times 7 times 7. So what is the base?
7.
The exponent? 3. 3 because 7 is multiplied repeatedly 3 times. Then the exponential form is 7 raised to the power of 3. So 7 times 7? 49 times 7, so we have the answer 343. 4 times 4 times 4, what is the base? 4. The exponent? 3. The exponential form? 4 raised to the power of 3. So 4 times 4? 16. Times 4? 64. We have the answer 64. Okay, let us give group 3 an Indonesia clap like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, let's check if their answer is very good. So we have 8 times 8. So the base is 8. The exponent is 2. The exponential form is
8 raised to the power of 2.
And their answer is
64.
8 times 8 is equal to
64.
Next, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. What is the base?
2.
The exponent? 5. 5 because 2 is multiplied repeatedly 5 times. So we have the exponential form.
2 raised to the power of 5.
The answer is
32.
Because 2 times 2 equals 4. Times 2?
8.
Times 2?
16.
Times 2?
32.
Okay, very good. Next is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. What is the base?
3.
The exponent?
4.
The exponential 4?
3 raised to the power of 4.
The answer is
81.
Because 3 times 3?
9.
Times 3?
7.
7 times 3?
81.
81. So, their answer is correct. Next, we have is group 4. Group 4. Who is your representative? Yes, Rhea? Yes, Rhea. Okay, so let us give group 4 lamok club. 1 lamok, 2 lamok, maraming lamok. So now let's check if the answer is correct. So we have 3 times 3 times 3. The base is 3. The exponent is 3. The exponential form is
3 raised to the power of 3.
So their answer is 27. 3 times 3 times 3
27.
Oh, correct. Next we have 7 times 7 times 7. The base is
7.
The exponent is
3.
The exponential 4
7 raised to the power of 3.
But their answer is 34. Let's check if it is correct. So The base is 6. The exponent is 3. And the exponential form
6 raised to the power of 3.
Your answer is
216.
so 6 times 6
36.
times 6
216.
So their answer is correct. So let us give ourselves a good job applause. So 1, 2, 3. Good job, good job, good job. So now I have here a set of questions. So let us first read this question.
What is the role of base and exponent in an exponential notation?
So what is the role of base and exponent in an exponential notation? Unsa man ang ibuhat sa base o sa exponent na sa exponential notation?
By the exponent
Yes, Mia, please stand up.
by multiplying the base given from the exponent. Like example, 8 raised to the power of 2. So 8 has to times repeatedly by 2.
Okay, so the role, very good, Mia. So we have 8, for example, Mia given is 8 is the base. So the base is the number that is being multiplied. And the exponent is the number that is, we multiply the number of the base repeatedly. So for example, we have 8 raised to the power of 2. So 8 is the base and 2 is the exponent. So the role of exponent is to multiply the base repeatedly. It depends to the exponent. So next question we have, what pattern did you notice when you multiply a number by itself multiple times? So unsa yung nabantayan kung mag-multiply ka sa number? Wala ani. 2. Ako siyang gibalik-balik o multiply. Unsa yung nabantayan na nagkaon sa iyang number? Nagkataas, nagkamaba? Nagkataas. So next we have, what is the role of base and exponent in an exponential notation? So as what have Mia said earlier, na ang base mao siya ang number and the exponent is the number kung ikabilat tani multiply. Okay, so now that you have already understand our lesson, I want you to keep all your things and get your ball pen. So now let's test if you really understand our lesson this morning. So let us read the instruction.
Analyze the repeat word problem and solve its exponential notation. Encircle the letter of the correct answer.
Okay, so I will be giving you this test questionnaire and you will be identifying and analyze the word problem and solve its exponential notation. And you just need to encircle the correct answer. Okay, so eyes on your paper. to write your name and your grade and section. Choose the number 10. 1 to 10. 2. Eugene, count 1. 1. Okay. Ronald, please answer number 1. Read and answer. Please stand up. Read, Eugene. Okay, a certain book has 2 raised to the power of 4 pages. How many pages do the books have? What's your answer? Letter C. So let's check if your answer is correct. So we have the exponential 4, 2 raised to the power of 4. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2? 4. Times 2? 8. Times 2? 16. So the answer is 16. Letter C. Ronald, choose a number between 10 to 20. 10 to 20. Ikan sa 10 hanggang sa 20. 14. Sige, Coco, count 1 ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Rhea, please read and answer number 2. Everyone listen.
What is the value of 5 raised to the third power?
What is the value of 5 raised to the third power? What is your answer?
C.
Letter C, 125. Let us check if her answer is correct. So we have 5 raised to the power of the third power. So we have 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5? 5 times 5?
125.
So the correct answer is 125. Letter
C.
For number 3, Rhea, choose a number between 1 to 15. 5. Okay, start. 5. 8. Okay, read and answer. Read and answer. What is the sum of 3 to the power of 4 and 2 to the power of 3? What is your answer? Letter D, 35. So let's check if this answer is correct. So we have the word sum. What is sum? That's no sum. So we have 3 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. So first we have to identify what is the answer of 3 raised to the power of 4. So 3 times 3? 9. Times 3?
27.
Times 3?
81.
6. Start. 1.
Go.
This one. Number 4. Read and answer. Stand up. Sama na makasin. Wala pa din. Wala ikaw sa Number 4. Read and answer.
If his brother's age is 4 raised to the power of 2, what is the age of his brother?
If his brother's age is 4 raised to the power of 2, what is the age of his brother? Cedric. 16. Let's check if the answer is correct. So we have 4 raised to the power of 2. So 4 times 4 is 12. So the answer is letter D. Number 5. Choose a number between 1 to 10.
6.
Start counting just one. Mia, read and answer number 5.
If I have 10 raised to the power of 3 this coming Christmas, how much money will I have? D. 1,000.
I have 10 raised to the power of 3 this coming Christmas. How much money will I have? So we have the exponential for 3 raised to the power of 10 raised to the power of 3. So we have 10 times 10 times 10. So 10 times 10,
100.
times 10,
1,000.
So we have 1,000. The answer is letter D. So please put the total number of 4. Return the papers to the owner. Who got 5? Okay, very good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Let us give ourselves a galing clap. Everyone, let's stand up. We have like this. Wait a second. Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! 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 Again. Let us all dance together. 1, 2, 3, go! Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! 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 Okay, please take the seat. So for your assignment, let us all please. In your assignment notebook, copy and give the value of the underlined word problem. Word problem. Okay.
I was planning to go to the beach this Christmas. The entrance fee costs 2 raised to the power of 5. I also like to buy spaghetti to eat, which is 7 raised to the power of 2. Each of us. How much should I spend on the Christmas tree?
Okay, so please copy this and do these activities in your home. So I was planning to go to the beach this Christmas. The entrance fee costs 2 raises to the power of 5, and I also like to buy spaghetti to eat, which is 7 raised to the power of 2 each bag. So how much I would spend on that Christmas tree? So what is the underlined word problem?
2 raises to the power of 5.
And
7 raises to the power of 2.
okay, so with that word problem, you will give the value of each exponential notation. So you copy that.